neighbors, kindly, let's do this for the national chairman is on the way coming.
Irizuba mukuru w'ekibiina kya National Resistance Movement General Kaguta Museveni kandi ori omwebembezi w'eihanga nibwo yiguraho akeherero k'ekibiina ekya National Resistance Movement akarikugenda omu maisho omu Ryankwanzi omu butongore. Akeherero aka nikaza kumara ebiro 7 karikugenda omu maisho. Mwezi w'omwebembezi w'eihanga retired Major Jessica Alupo hamwe na Speaker w'ishengero ry'eihanga otaireho n'omuhwezi we Right Honorable Thomas Tayibwa otaireho n'enganzi y'eihanga nabo bayijumbira omu kweherero oko.
And in the same vein, I congratulate all colleagues here for overwhelmingly participating in the election, supporting you and also winning the election as members of parliament elect.
Mwebembezi w'ekibiina kya Democratic Party kandi ori Minister wa Justice and Constitutional Affairs Honorable Norbert Mao n'omwe ah'aborubaju abarukuhakanisa gavumenti abari omu keherero aka. Mu bigambo bye Honorable Norbert Mao yashoborera ngu akeherero aka nikaija kuyambaho okwegyesa abanyaishengyero uko bashemereire kutwaza ombwire obu barabe bari omu ishengyero.
Ebirowoozo bingi bigenda kutuweebwa wano, tulina kubiwuliriza naye naffe tulina ebirowoozo bye tuleese. Ky'oba olaba nga nze Mao atali member wa National Resistance Movement ndi wano, ndi mu gavumenti ekulemberwa NRM naye nga ndi wa Democratic Party.
Bamwe abanyaishengyero abatoreirwe abarikuza omu ishengyero omurundi gw'okubanza bashoborera bimwe abaayegyesiibwe.
Twegyesa kuwa values za NRM emicwe n'emitwarize kugira ngu twena tugendera ha peesa emwe. Omuri treatage twegire ebintu bingi munonga kandi nyamurungi tufunira abanywani abantu abitubenturebera hanga hari twatunga chance yo kubirira hihi tushomesibwe ebintu bingi munonga konke kinkwasireho nko mwebembezi president yagamba munonga ahashonga ya corruption
yatubangurira yatugambira emirimo yita ishemere kora nka legislation, appropriation, representation na oversight kandi yatuhirayo the nitty-gritties eziri incorporated omulyezo roles.
Kurugereranya mwazi yo na hati n'ugira ngo twegamu kugira ngo ariho ideologies, party ideologies. Party ideologies twireme kikweta cohesion, inclusivity na buri kimwe cyona mwe kushanga ngo tukorera hamwe. Elizoba Speaker wa Parliament yaturabiramo oku ebiragiro birukorwa imirimo ya Parliament erimo okurebe embarira
ekiyagamba ho President Museveni cyo kutekateka ngo abanya-Uganda twena tutekeho esira ninga turebe nahaca aha ideology ya NRM ningashi omutima gwa NRM
ubiyabana igura hakeherera aka omwebembezi w'eihanga General Tuhaburu Kaguta Museveni yashaba abanyeshengyero kundi ihanga ryabo hamwe no kuyambaho gavumenti umuhururu yo kurwanisa obushomankuzi.
Patriotism. Love Uganda. Why do you love Uganda? Because you need it for your own prosperity. This is principle number one, ideology number one. You have seen how it has all come from diagnosis now to prescription.
Muringo nugugume President Museveni yatabaritse abanyakibiina okusinga akaruru yayonzera yayanangiriza abanyeshengyero okutera munonga basya okumanya omusingi gw'ekibiina ekya National Resistance Movement. Muringo nugugumwe ogu yajumirira amahanga gogona agari omu ntaro bugarukweyoreka ekifuba ekireeteire batari mu ntaro zaabo nabo bamigiserizibwa.
So the issue of strategic security, that is historical mission number 3. Number 2. Number 3, guarding our heritage. The African heritage is very, very strong. That's how we were able to survive slave trade. Because we are very strong people, genetically.
ukweherero kukwiguraho izuba kandi kuza kumara isabiti yona rugendo mbeisha bakuraga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano wa tayari West Militankwanzi.